Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a community on Reddit. The first thing you want to do once you're on Reddit, you're going to tap on communities in the bottom left hand corner. Then from there, what I want you to do next is tap on the three dashes in the top left hand corner. And you're going to tap on create a community. After you have done that, you can now enter your community name. Once you have entered the name of your liking, let me do that real quick. From there, you can choose whether you would like it to be a public community or you would like it to be restricted, meaning anyone can view this community, but only approved users can post. Or you can create a private community, only approved users can view and submit to this community. So you can select whichever option you want. I'll leave it at public, and you can also decide whether it is an 18+ community. You can toggle it on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on create community, as you can see right there. And from there, you can see your new community rules are now available, and you can start posting on your community. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.